Okay, I think we are live. Okay, we're live, good. Why is it run private? Boom. Okay. Yeah, it's good now. Alright. Yeah, it's good now. Alright. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, that's kind of like, we don't want to do that, okay. It looks like it's going well. Now let's actually get productive.
Right there, so that's our...
Okay. I need to go into my stream. See who's watching. There we go. Alright.
Peter. Now, if I want to change the design of this, you would just come in and change background. You could change the design. You could change the overall design of it, so the border, the shadows, the corners, all that good.
Alright, let's go change this design. Hello, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? We've done a lot so far. Like an actual freaking load. I kid you not. I have done so much. You can now upload things. Yeah, you can actually upload images and stuff like that. Minecraft XD, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do. Do do. Do 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 do. I'm good. Nice, nice, nice. That's amazing. It's great knowing that you're good, buddy. There we go. Do 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 do.
Good stuff. But I'm just going to leave the design as is right now because I still have to nail down a design I'm going for on this social network. I'm more showing you guys how the functionality works and the back end of things. The design, the mastermind, the artistry, the creative, that will be on you guys. You are building a social network. You know your market. You know exactly how you're supposed to design for your audience. So I'll leave that to you. Now that we've got our repeater in here, what we have to do, just like the user statuses page, is we have to get our data set in here. So we have to pull in the data set so that way there's a connection between the user profile status database and the actual profile page. So it pulls the information from that database to correspond. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to add. And then we're going to go down to database right here. We're going to click data set. And then
content manager. Add content elements. Data set.
And you can put the data set wherever you'd like on the page. Once again, the data set is not actually visible when the site is published. Both of these up here are invisible. They're just there in the editor for you to see so you can make the connections. So then we're going to double click on the data set. We're going to choose to collect user statuses because
Yo, you guys still watching? Dun, 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 dun.
that's where our statuses lie. And right now we're going to keep it in read-only mode. As we go a little deeper into the series, I'm going to show you guys, once we go into actual editing the statuses on the statuses page, I'll show you how to edit the status on the profile page as well. But for right now, we're going to keep it read-only. At one point in the near future, this will be read and write. Right now, read-only. And then you can choose how many items you'd like to display on the user statuses page or on the profile page. I'll just say 15 for right now. And then the next...
Slow page loading. Right, let's just do 15.
step is a vital step. This is something that even in some of my previous tutorials, a lot of people have not been able to understand. So in order for you to display the user status that in particular person that's logged in posted, you have to filter it. So what I mean by that is if you just kept this page as is, you would have every single person's user status filter into this repeater right here, regardless of who was logged in or whose profile it was. And you don't want that. So to avoid that, what you have to do is once you add the data set, we're going to, come down here to repeater. We're going to connect the data. So we're going to choose connect it, and we're going to use the user statuses data set. So we connect the data there. We're going to connect the text to...
Are you a web creator? Get ready to up your WordPress game with Elementor, an award-winning website builder. Elementor
status, and then so we connect the data there. We're going to connect the text to status.
Dun dun.
And then we're going to connect the text to
so laggy right now. It's so laggy.
Status. And then if you want to make this bigger, you can also have it so you add the picture as well. As we talked about, you can add pictures as well. And guys, just to let you know, we are at the end of this going to fine tune it and go over each in particular little detail because obviously there's going to be little things that come up here and there as we're building this that we either have to go back to or I promised we'd go back to, and I will show you how to do all that as well. But we have that right there just like that. Now we have to connect that piece of data to the user status data set. Have that right there just like that. Now we have to connect that piece of data to the user status data set. And we have to connect it to image source connects to image from the user status data set. And now you can see there. We have to connect it to image source connects to image from the user status data set. And now you can see there'd be an image in each one. We're going to have to add an if. If then statement later on in the series because we don't want it to be an image each time. If it's blank, we want it to be either an image and status or status no image or both or just an image. So that's how we're going to have to fix that. And then the final part of this, guys, I know this is actually pretty easy, is we have to go back to the data set. We go in here, and now we must click filter, add filter. Not that. We click add filter, we choose owner, so the owner of whoever posted that status is logged in. So whoever posted that in particular status the owner must be logged in for that user to see it. So that user's information will pop up on this page, but that logged in user must be the creator of that content. And then we click add filter. So now this dynamic page will change according to the logged in user and the content they have posted. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Guys, that's what I'm here to show you in today's video, how to put those user statuses in here. We'll dive a little deeper, likely into profile pages, and possibly even start the commenting and liking system in our next series video. So I appreciate you spending some time with me today. Drop a like down below if you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe here at Wix Training Academy and turn that notification bell on to never miss a Wix training video. And finally, guys, comment down below. And last but not least, head over to WixTrainingAcademy.com. And if you guys have some questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, guys. That's what it's there for. I'm here to help you. Click Academy to register for my free content, and click this Hire Me tab to check out my very new service I curated just for you. I appreciate the time, guys. I look forward to catching you on the next one. And if I don't see you before, have a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you guys very much. Michael Strauch, done.
With Fiverr's content experts on the case, they'll help you manage, design, animate, or write copy for your social media. They'll maintain your blog or even help.
What is up, YouTube? Michael Patrick Strauch here from Wix Training Academy, and today I'm bringing you part 9 of building a social network in Wix. Guys, one thing right off the bat, I am running a quick feedback survey from you to better the Wix Training Academy in 19. So I'm getting ready to plan out when I head home this Wednesday for winter break for a whole month. I'm getting ready to plan out 2019 and what the Wix Training Academy is going to look like, how I'm going to all...
Oh my god, I wasn't even paying attention to the chat. Oh wow. Wait, what? Yo, are you still watching? I'm so sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I'm just too busy watching this. I'm so sorry. I'm just you know, trying to yeah, just sort my website out. I just wasn't paying attention. You're making your own thingy. Basically, it's like YouTube. So you know YouTube, right? You've got a create button, you've got a profile, then you get like, then whatever you've uploaded shows up on your channel. That's what I'm doing. I'm making like my own, like, what's it called? Like a social media website, like YouTube and Twitter. This is what it looks like so far. Right now, this has just got some of my posts that I've put on here. Hold on. This is a status page. So let's go. As you can see, we've got upload a post. So you can put a post. Right now, this is going to change to someone else's profile. So when you're logged in, this will be that person's profile picture. Obviously, I haven't finished it yet. But you can type text, you can add an image, and you can actually post it. And it will post on this status page right here. It's all going to change soon. This is all for testing. And my latest upload was this. I just put random stuff for testing. And then we're going to have like a like and comment system and everything on posts. I'm also going to add a thing where you can add videos and you can text people. So you can basically DM other people. So basically you can like send a friend request. It's like Twitch and yeah. It's basically like Twitch and YouTube and TikTok. Because you could basically follow each other and then message each other. I don't know how... Nah, this is how it's going to work, right? Basically, I don't really know yet, but there might be like a message system where you can talk to someone else, which is, I'm pretty sure, is going to be this button here. So it's Twitch/YouTube/Discord. Yeah, kinda. I'm still working on it though. So you can like text other people. I might add a little thing where like if you get a certain amount of likes, you get points, and then you could see on your profile how many points you have, and those points are going to be used for something. I don't know what it's going to be used for, but I really want to add a point system. I want to reward people for getting likes. I want to reward them. Whether that's something like within the website that maybe helps out their, I don't know, channel, well not channel, but like their profile or something like that. I'm currently watching another tutorial. I put the speed at really fast because this guy talks really slow.
How I'm going to improve it to provide you the best Wix training experience
It's
possible.
like your own
So if you have 5 minutes of your time,
basically.
head to WixTrainingAcademy.com.
That's exactly what it is. It's a whole social media.
This pop-up will pop up within 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds on your website, and it just says provide your feedback. Click it. It takes you to a quick little survey. It'd be much appreciated if you could fill this out and let me know how I did in 2018 as far as content in the Wix Training Academy goes. All right, guys, so in today's video, what I'm going to actually do is show you how to give the user the ability to edit their profile, and how we're going to do that, and how we're going to utilize the Wix apps themselves to incorporate a cool little feature here and to actually build out a profile. It's going to be pretty nice, and there's going to be a little bit to it, but just follow along. I'm going to make it as simple as possible, so that way you guys can have a quick and easy learning experience so you could go back and implement it quickly into your websites. So, first things first, we're going to go back to our, actually, before we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the add button right here. And guys, before we hop into things, don't forget to subscribe right down below, Wix Training Academy, so you don't miss an upload of the Building a Social Network in Wix Non-Coding Founders Guide series. Turn that notification bell on. I've had a few people not know that the uploads came through. Some people are still back on part 3, and we're on part 9 already. So make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss the notifications when a new one is uploaded. So now that we're in the ad here, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to Members. And then once you get down to Members, you're going to click Add to Site. So this is going to add...
Okay. A members area. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. What is it gonna be called though? Right, basically, this is not an actual social media. I'm not going to promote this in any other way. I'm only promoting it on my main channel, or this channel. It's basically for you, like my subscribers and my viewers, to communicate with each other. So you can communicate and make posts. Maybe share your little gaming moments and like what you've done, and like maybe add a little quote saying, oh, your videos are amazing, and then send a screenshot of you liking all of them. It can be anything you want. You can post anything you want. It's just a little community, you know? Instead of this little YouTube thing where all it is on YouTube is just commenting and stuff, I'm going to add commenting, all that stuff, and messaging, so you can message other people and you'll be able to message me at the same time. So you could message me. Like, you could message my account. Obviously, I haven't set up all the account system and everything yet. I'm also running into a lot of errors, which is so annoying. So many errors. But I've gotten a long way here. It's Discord ×2 now, yes.
Add a members area to your website. It's going to go ahead, work its little magic here. And then what happens is, well, right after it loads, right after it adds, adding, and good. And we're going to click Get Started. So what happens is Wix actually adds a nice...
Ooh. I've done that before. I'm gonna treat you like Mario. I'm gonna treat you like a prince. I've got a little bit of an issue right now. It's kind of outdated, so like it's hard to add apps. Members area. Add again. Okay, I'm not going to be reading chat much now, because I'm going to be concentrating, just so you know that. Where's my... But I just added it. The members area thing. Open. It's not even doing anything. Bruh. It's not even doing anything. What the hell? Wait, what the hell? Manage apps. But I've just got it. Add again. Oh, it's here. Wait, no, it's not. I thought it was there. Never mind. So where is it then? Okay, it's not here. I have no clue right now. Search that up. This? I'm so confused. Bruh, I don't know. This is where it all messes up. This is where it gets so annoying. I've done this before as well. It's probably like in social or something. It'll be somewhere. YouTube. Oh yeah, I already did that. Wix groups. I can add groups. This is where it gets so annoying to customize. Like, to do this, it's so annoying. Come on, please. Why? Why? Don't do this to me now, please. I don't even know what to do, like... Bro, are you still watching? None of it is here. Bruh. What do I do? What am I supposed to do? Testing. Let's go to a testing bit. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Do 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 don't 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 no 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 no. I always feel like somebody's watching me. It literally did nothing. Nothing. It did literally nothing. I've added this before, like, bruh. I always feel like oh god. Somebody's watching me. Add again. It did nothing. Preview. It literally did nothing. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Hold on, let's look it up on YouTube. That's what I always do. I've got 2 new notifications. How to
People never believe how easy it is to make a Squarespace site.
What's going on, Wix Nation? MPS here from Wix Training Academy. I know it's been a while. I apologize. A lot's been happening in life. So I go back to college this week, actually, and have some interesting hybrid of online class and regular class. And then while that was all happening, my brother switched plans. He was supposed to go out to LA to pursue music, and he decided to go to New York City instead. And I'm moving to Charlotte, North Carolina at the end of this semester with my girlfriend.
Don't worry,
so
I'm still here.
Naturally,
Okay.
What happened next? My parents decided, all right,
Come on, don't
you
give a
two
shit
are
about your
both
goddamn
moving-
life story.
building a members area for your membership clients, membership students, or just plain out members for your website. Without further ado, we're going to jump into today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Perfect time to jump into this awesome Wix Nation community. We are strong, we are bonded together, and we are excited to build
come
great
on.
things here in Wix.
Spare us the details.
Going back in the paid member, I'll kind of go. So as far as area, okay? And then one of the first things you're going to want to do, depending on how your site works, typically you're going to have like a public-facing site with your sales page or whatever that might look like to get people to become members. And then everything with your membership page-wise is likely going to be hidden because it's going to kind of be in the back end. That's members-only access. So what we're going to do first and foremost is we're going to go to settings, and we're going to hide this page from the menu. So that way people can't just access it from the menu. This is just my preference. You can keep it active if you'd like. Once we do that, what we have to do is we have to go back to these 3 dots.
People never believe how easy it is to make a Squarespace site.
And we have to go to settings. And you likely have different members areas. You can click only member had subscribed to. In this case, it was the Ruby membership. And then you would Ruby member because under their account they paid. Are you going to give defaulted to your main page menu, not any other menu? So the way I like to do it is when I'm building out the look, I like to go up to button, and then even if you just press this plain text button, I like to create a little row of buttons that will take each member to the respective page in the members area. Because essentially in the member, I would also get started here
Swear to God,
of
if
your
this
site.
happens at
So
the end
think
of the
about
freaking
whole
video.
new rep,
Oh
and then
my God.
we choose member the largest
What a waste
Wix
of
training.
time. This is a waste of time. Here we go, 5 minutes. This should be quick.
Meet EditorX, the world's most advanced website design platform. Made
within Wix. The members area lets your users sign up for an account to do stuff. So if you have an online shop, this allows your users to actually bugs. If you have Disney Plus to something, users to set up several different ways, the subscription feature or the restaurant menu feature for site. then it's going to ask you if you want to add a norm with the members area. In this video, I'm just going to go down to members and add to site. On your blog posts. For today's video, I'm just going to go down to members and add to site. This is going to...
But I don't have that option. Add. Hold on. Members. Yeah, I don't have an add to site thingy. So... Oh my god, come on. Right. Come on. I haven't got all day. Please. Just hurry up, please. This is the only thing that is stopping me right now. I actually can't believe it. Okay, let's just look up add members area. Add members. Look at that. That literally does not help. I've done this before as well. Delete. This better work. Wait. Please. 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 Oh my god. Yes. I did it. You better be watching the stream right now, because I just accomplished the best thing that is actually going to help me so bad through this. Please tell me you're watching the goddamn stream. Please tell me someone is watching this stream. Oh, let's go. We have a full-on members area. Oh, yo. I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Little member widget here. It's kind of cool what they've done. If you haven't seen this feature yet, it's awesome. I'd highly recommend checking it out. But what happens is this account information is all associated with the back end in Wix. So this actual information is in the Wix CRM for the website you're building. Any information edited in here by the user goes back to the Wix CRM. The question is, how do we utilize this same feature to go ahead and get the proper information on the user profile page? So how does the user actually edit their profile? So on here you can see they have some of the basic features here, which is first name, last name, contact, email, phone. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to edit our own little module and add just a button right here that has the same layout as this page, but we're going to have all the same information from the profile page. So when they edit it in here, when they go to edit profile, they will then be able to add their details and it'll pop up on the user profile page. So I know that might sound a bit complex and a bit confusing to start, but once I hop into it here, you're going to understand what I mean by that. So to better understand it, let's go back to the user profile page that we've been building out. So we go here, user profile data, that's our page here. Okay, so this is our sample user profile page. In the last video, I showed you how to add this statuses box. Now what I want to show you is how to add, one, the edit profile button, which is very simple to do, and then two, how to actually give the user the ability to change their background image, their profile image. By the way, you guys, I did make this profile image circular, which was in the process of updating their image system when we made this first profile page video, and I kind of looked a little funny because I couldn't even figure out how to make the image a circle. That's because Wish, like I said, was going through an adjustment period, changing the design module and editing module for their images. So to do it, you simply double click it, and then it's going to pop up an image tool, and you could right here choose cropping, and you could choose what type of shape you want to crop your image as, and obviously I chose circle, and then you could choose the proper sizing right here using the cropping tools right there. But I already did that. We're going to click that right there, and we're...
I always feel like somebody's watching me. Why is this still up here? A login bar. Oh, for Lord's hell. For Lord's hell, God, why is there a login bar up there? Why? I always feel like somebody's watching me. Yeah. Oh, still says that, but alright.
We're good. So we're going to give the user the ability to change their background image, their profile picture, their full name, their handle, so their @name, their bio, their location, and their website. So it's actually fairly simple to do. What we're going to do first is we're going to go into add, and then we're going to go to button. And we're just going to grab, I'm going to use this button right here.
I always feel like somebody's watching me. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Add a button.
And again, guys, we're going for a layout kind of, sort of similar to Twitter, so that's where I'm drawing some of this inspiration from. Again, this is our own little version. It's not Twitter, but it's like, that's what I'm modeling kind of after. So what we're going to do is I'm going to first go in here, change the design really quickly, go to customize, we're on regular, I want the fill to stay that, except I want the border color to change to this blue right here, and then I'd like the text to also be, let's see how, we'll keep the text, that right there, so it's prominent, and then on hover, I want the fill color to be this blue, and then I want the text, to be white, and then on disabled, we can keep it gray like that. So that.
Wait, what? I just got so confused right here.
Blue right here, and then I'd like the text to also be, let's see how, we'll keep the text, that right there, so it's prominent, and then on hover, I want the fill color to be this blue.
I always feel like somebody's watching me. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Preview. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do no 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 no.
And then I want the text, to be white, and then on disabled, we can keep it gray like that. So that's very quick and easy right there. And then we'll change the text to edit profile. So it's very. Clear. So, okay, guys. So if we go to preview here, you can see everything disappears, and the edit profile button is fairly clear. So if someone comes on here, this is what they're going to see to start with. They're going to notice that there's literally nothing on here. Like, it's just a whole bunch of random images. It says full name, handle, bio, location, website, and people are just like, okay, I don't have anything on here. And they're instantaneously going to be thinking, how do I edit my profile? You know, how do I change this to my stuff? Well, you'd have to click edit profile. So now what we have to do is we added the button. We have to link it back to the members area. But before we can link it back to the members area, we have to actually go ahead and add a little page in there for the profile completion so people can actually add their details. So now if we go back to my account page, and I'm going to take this little member up here off the top for right now. It's easy to add back. I'll tell you why towards the end of the video.
I always feel like somebody's watching me. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Don't know why I keep singing that. No te fiques tanto, no te fiques tonta, no te fiques ton, no te fiques ton, no te fiques ton, no te fiques ton. I always feel like somebody's watching me.
It relates to, yeah, I'll tell you why at the end of the video. So, okay, so we've got the My Account here. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to go to Manage Pages. I'm going to click My Account, and then you can see this right here. This is the My Account page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to Control, Paste. I'm going to copy that and paste it, because we want that same button layout. And then I'm going to copy this, and then I'm not going to paste it yet. I'm just going to copy that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to...
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Go back to Manage Pages here and add a new page. I'm going to change the page name to Update Profile. And we can see what happens here is it is then added in this menu here, right? So that page is then added.
What?
In the menu, and then I copied over. I have to go back here. Oh yeah, can't copy the My Account info. Sorry, apologize. So you can see that the update profile is added in here, and now what we have to do is add the fields that correlate to the profile page. So what I'm going to put up here at the top, I'm going to add a little box number 1. I'm going to go to box, then I'm just going to add this, and it's going to be just the border of the box. Just like the previous My Account page, I'm going to change the design. I'm going to drop the opacity to 0. I'm going to add the border, which is that. I'm going to drop the color of the border, pretty much nothing, just so you can see it. Let's make sure you can make it a little bit darker. Go back to border. Okay, so now you can see that. Again, I'm going to drop that down a little bit, drop the page there. And now I'm going to grab some text. I'm going to go to text. I'll just grab a random piece of text here. Going to extend this, and then I'm going to just change the font. I'm just going through my normal scheme here, guys. This is, I mean, the pretty straightforward stuff. You guys have all done this or seen this. I add text, all that good stuff. I'm just going to change the text right there. I'm going to change it to Update Profile. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit right there. I'm actually going to make it a little black, and then I'm going to copy the text, drop it down below, and then just explain. So we're going to explain what this does, so that way when people come here, they're not confused. Again, this is just a part of user experience, user navigation. You want to make it very clear on your users what they're doing on this page, why they're here. Fill in the fields below to edit your profile page. Okay, so we tell them to fill in the fields, right? Now what we have to do, just like we would if someone was using a user input form, because that's exactly what this is, we have to add the field options, and we have to add our data set. So first, let's go up to database, go to data set.
I'm so confused right now. Somebody's watching me.
Come in here, we're going to click on that, and then we're going to double click it. We're going to choose where it goes, so it goes to user profile data, because that's our profile page. We want the mode to be write only. We choose that to be write only, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add our fields. So user input right here, and now you guys can choose whatever fields you want and design the fields to be whatever you'd like, but I'm going to just use this as an example. So we're going to use these fields right here. So we have the full name, so we're going to need one for the user's full name. We're going to need one for the user's @name. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to add, and I'm going to want a text box for the user's bio. So user bio, and then we have location. So I'm going to come back. Oops. I'm going to go back up here, and I'm just going to select this one again. Actually, to make it easy, I'll just copy this. So we got one for user location, and then we also need another one for user website. And then we need to come back in here one more time, and we need to go to the upload button, and we need one of these for profile picture. And then we need one of these for background picture, or header picture, whatever you'd like to call that. Make sure they're lined up. And then finally, we need to add a submit button. So we'll go to button, and I'll use our one from the edit button. You'll come in here, we'll add it down here. And it'll just say submit. Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to change the field, so that way we could set it up correctly. So we don't want this to be a phone number, we want it to be text. Then we want the placeholder text to be full name.
Nope. They won't away.
On the next one, we're going to edit it. Again, we want this to be text. We want the placeholder text to be at name. Then we want this one to be, describe yourself in 50 words or less. We'll just keep it down for right now. That's fine. That's going to be the bio. This is going to be, right here, this is going to be the user location. Again, we want to change this to text. The location, and we could say city, state, etc. Doesn't really matter, wherever they want to put for the location. And then let's put website URL. And then, so on this one, you could either make this a URL. I would recommend making it a URL. What has to happen though is it's got to have the http ://www.blank-whatever.com in order for it to actually register correctly in the fields here as a item or an actual URL. So just an alert. So if you want to put like a little alert message next to it that says that, I would recommend doing that. I'm not going to make these all required. What I am going to make required is the full name and the at name, because those will come into play a little later down the road. And then what we need to do is edit these.
Oh, how's my laptop already gonna die? This is required. This one isn't.
These puppies, we'll say profile, picture, and then we want this to be a required field, and then we'll change this one to header image. We also want this to be a required field. Okay, so now that we have all of these filled out, what we have to do is we have to connect them to our database, so that way it goes into the user input database. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little button right here, connect to data. It's going to pull up. Header, image. We also want this to be a required field. Okay, so now that we have all these filled out, what we have to do is we have to connect them to our database, so that way it goes into the user input database. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little button right here, connect to data. It's going to pull up. It already recognizes our user profile data set. Value connects to full name. Good. App name here, so value connects to handle. Then we got our bio. Value connects to profile bio. Then we've got our location, connects to profile location. And you can see if it's properly connected, the data button right there will turn green, so that way you know it's properly connected. Website URL, so connects to profile website, connected. Then we want to upload a profile picture. We want this to connect to profile picture.
Okay, hold on, stream. Just need to get my laptop charger. Somebody's watching me. Banner. Boom.
And it's properly connected, and then header image, and we want this to connect to, have a name that's profile background image in here, that works, profile background image, and then it's connected. And then last but not least, we want the submit button to connect to data, and then link connects to submit, and then you could choose what happens after this is submitted. So you could have it stay on this page, so that way they can update it again. You could add a success message, which I would add that, and I would add it right under the submit button. So I'm going to pull that up a little bit. I'm going to drop that down a little bit so we have a little bit more room. Then I'm going to pull our submit button back down here, and then your message right here could say like your content has been submitted. We'll keep it that, so that way it'll stay on this page in case they want to update it again, so that way it doesn't drive them right back to the profile page. It gives them time to be like, oh wait, I want to update this or I want to update that. They simply press submit right there, and then they're updated just like that. Then they're updated. So okay, so this is where they update. So now that that is built out, now that that's done, and we have that here, what we need to do is click save. And now what we have to do is we have to go back to our profile page, go to user profile. We have to go to edit profile because we have to link this button to that page that we just created. So we'll come in here, we're going to click link, and then we're going to link it to a page. We're going to link it to update profile. Press.
How is the thingy going? I didn't realize you just said that. Wait, did you just say that, or? It's going actually really well. I've gotten the thing where you can update your profile picture and everything, and your background. I'll show it to you in a minute. When it's done though, when it's done. But, I said it, like 5 minutes, what? I said it like 5 minutes ago. Oh, I'm really sorry I didn't respond. I wasn't looking in the chat. Sorry. I was just paying attention. I accidentally pressed on here, and I was like, oh, there's another message like at the corner of my eye, and then I saw yours. I'm really sorry. It's just I'm too like focused on this. Like I'm absolutely buzzing right now. Now take my breath away. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Take my breath away. Do 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 do. My account done. Do 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 do.
Done. That's linked there. And now, if all is well, make sure these are all connected. Okay, so if all is well and all works, we should be able to go ahead and connect everything and see if it works. Now, what I'm going to do too, guys, is I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go back down to members, and I'm going to add the little login bar at the top. Again, I'm not adding this now, and I'll explain why right now, is because the drop-down features on it, if I press preview, it takes you to my account, but that's not this page. The my account page is this page right here, which is fine, but I'm going to have to show you how to fix that, so that way when it comes time, if people click that up at the top, it takes them to their profile page rather than this My Account page. But I'm going to add it up there right now, so it gives us pretty quick access to go back to and in between pages. And then just to make navigation a little easier, again, guys, I haven't added an actual physical navigation bar or anything yet because I'm just showing you the bare bones of this. I'm going to go ahead and just add a home button up here at the top. I'm just going to link the text to home. Keep it just like that. I know it's very raw, very unedited, but that's okay. That's what we need to do for right now. I am then going to go ahead and make sure on the home page. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to press publish. I don't know what in the hell that is. I'm going to press publish, and then we're going to give it a shot, see if it works. If not, we're going to...
Okay, let's give it a try. Hopefully this works. Before we do anything else, I am going to add that login bar. add a logging bar. Add. Oh, my freaking charger! Come on. Seriously? Are you seriously? Come on. Okay, let's add our... Okay, I will be looking at chat every so often, because now I'm paying attention. So you can talk, you know, if you haven't got anything to say. And keep looking over my laptop. There we go. Now we have our profile up at the top. Okay, now hopefully, when I edit my profile, let's publish. Okay, let's see what this guy does first.
Bug it and figure out what went wrong. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to log in. Okay, so I'm logged in. So now what we're going to do to test it is I'm going to go up here to my account. And then I'm going to go to update profile. I'm going to enter the proper information. Almost going to spell my own name. Holy crap. I'm going to add my @name, so I'll just add it as, I'll just add it as Michael.
No. Take my breath away. Yo, are you still watching? Oh, it says 0 viewers now. Damn. Take my breath away. Oh. Right, I see. Right. I see. Can I still... Oh, wait, nah. Wait, hold on. Still not showing up, though, as me. That's weird. Okay, profile picture. Let's do a... Go to downloads. Not downloads, pictures. I don't know why it's not showing up. I think it's this one here. Take my breath away. Banner. I still don't really know. Try that. Wait, submitting. Yo, it worked, bro. It worked. Let's go. Yes. Edit profile. Let's go. Edit your username. Wait, what? This needs to be a text field. Oh my god, some problems going on here. Hold on a sec. Do 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 do. Boom. Publish. Still can't type anything. can't even type anything. I can't type anything. I literally can't type anything. Why? I don't know.
Strouk. I like to think I am a fairly cool guy. Not sure. What do you think? What do you think, guys? If you think I am, go ahead and drop a like down below on this video. Location, I'm going to put Phoenix because I'm excited to get back there in 4 days and visit family. Website URL, I'm going to come straight here to the Witch Training Academy. Guys, don't forget to fill out your feedback form.
But I still can't even do it. Why? 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 Oh my god, why? Oh, I know why. I think. I hope. Please work. Please work. Take my breath away. I still can't type anything. Why? 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 I literally can't type anything. Why is that? Come on.
What I'm going to do too, guys, is I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go back down to members, and I'm going to add the little login bar at the top. Again, I'm not adding this now, and I'll explain why right now. Is because, pull that up a little bit, I'm going to drop that down a little bit so we have a little profile location. That way it goes into the user, because those will // w. Just what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back. We have to add the field options, and we have what they're doing on here. So I'm going to add the border, which is that. I'm going to drop add a new page. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the page name to update profile. And we can see what happens here is it is then added in this menu here, right? So that page is then added in the menu. And then I copied over. I have to go back. It's going to be just the border of the box. Go back to manage pages here. Off the top for right now. It's easy to add. Get back to the members area. But before we can link it back to the members area, we have to actually go ahead and add a little page in there for the profile completion so people can actually add their details. So now if we go back, I'm going to add a little and we're going to choose where bio. Then we need to come back in. We need to add on the next application. Again, we want to go on this one. Doing that, connect them to our next, and then it's connect. Click save, connect everything, and see if it works. Now, it takes you.
Oh my god. No. I'm so busy right now. I can't. This is so stressing me out. I just don't know why it won't work. This is so annoying. Why? Why? If I could actually add goddamn text, it would be complete with like our social media thing. But I bloody can't. Why? I don't know.
Let's see how. We'll keep the text that right there so it's prominent, and then on I'm gonna get your profile page that we've been building out. So we go here, user profile data. That's our page here. Okay, so this is our sample user profile page. In the last video, I showed you how to add the statuses box. Now what I want to show you is how to add, one, the edit profile button, which is very simple to do, and then two, how to actually give the user the ability to change their background image, their profile, and adjustment period, changing the design of your image as. Actually, sort of similar like the text also, so that's very cool. Like, back to the members, easy to add back. Copy this, and then I'm not going to paste it yet. Add a new page in this menu here, right? So that page is then added in the menu, and then I copied over. I have to go back here. Oh yeah, can't copy the my account info. Sorry, apologize. So you can see that, and then I'm going to, and then we're gonna click, and we have location.
Wait, hold on.
And then we're gonna double click it. We're gonna choose where it goes. So it goes to user profile data because that's our profile page. And we want the mode to be write only. We choose that to be write only.
I'm gonna go X-ray and get enchants and see and still be on stream now. Right, okay. Settings. Oh, come on. This is so annoying. Why? Why can't I even write anything? That's so annoying. This is so annoying. Why? Why? Publish. I hate doing this. Oh, this is so annoying right now. View site. Come on. Please. I could type stuff anywhere else. Like if I want to create a post, I can do. Well, I am logged in. Hold on. Hold up. As you can see, I can type stuff just like so. And I can post it. Right. If I can type stuff there then. Right. Then why the hell can't I type anything here? Why? There is no explanation for this. Hold on, if I go into preview mode. Why is that not? Oh my god, you've got to be serious right now. Why won't my charger reach? It's so annoying right now. Why? I can't even type anything. Why? Preview. Swear to God if I could do it in preview. Swear to God if I could do it in freaking preview. I can't. Why can't I type anything? Back to editor. I need a permission of some sort. Wait. Please tell me this fixed it. Please tell me it does. I just realised. Delete that. Blast protection. Oh, cool. Oh, come on. Profile picture. Image. Banner. Banner image. Publish. Please work. Please, I'm begging you right now, please. Please actually freaking work, please. I just beg you right now, please. Please work. Please let me type something. Please. Just let me type something, please. Come on, please. Why? Oh my god. Why? It still won't let me type anything. Why? Why? I'll find a solution to this. Settings. This is a private page. Oh, never mind. Permissions. Oh my god. Why? Why? Why can't I type anything? Why? 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 You know what, I'll even go to the extent of even searching it up on YouTube. Why won't text in Wix? This better freaking work, please. Please work, please. Well, what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I was looking it up. Absolutely jack shit.
Are you a web creator? Get ready to up your WordPress game with Elementor, an award-winning website builder. Elementor is the leading website builder which allows you to create WordPress websites visually without writing a single line of code. Intuitively edit and customize your websites in real time, just the way you want.
Come on. Absolutely nothing. Why? Why? I bet you it's something to do with this. This blue data thing. Well, it can't be, can it though? Because that's needed. Why? Why though? Why? There's absolutely no need. What if it's just the fact that all this needs to go down? Boom. Maybe it matters. No. There we go. Boo. Come on. There we go. Publish. Please work. I'm gonna actually go smash my head up through a freaking window in a minute. Please. Please actually work, please. Please, it's the only thing that's stopping me right now. Please. Please, please work. It's not gonna work, is it? Oh my god, it actually freaking worked. Oh my god, it actually freaking worked. There is no way that moving that text actually made it work. Oh my god. It was right under my nose the whole time. I thought that would be bullshit. Why would I have to move the text inputs to work? How? Okay, let me guess, I can't edit this bit though. Oh my god, there is actually no way I can actually make my profile now. There is no way. All that was under my nose. Profile picture. Let's upload a profile picture. Upload a banner. For hi. Submit. Please work. If this actually freaking works, I swear to God. Nope. That's why. That's why. I didn't bloody set it up properly. Connection details. Connects to submit. Your profile. I can't believe this actually worked. Boom. Now let's publish it and then reload the page. Please work, please. 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 If this does not work. If this does not work. Oh. Put hi. Select the profile picture. Boom. Select the banner. Boom. Submit. Your profile has been updated. There we go. Go to my account. Hold on. Whoa. User profile data. Please work. Please work. Please. Oh. Yo, where's my... Excuse me? But where's my freaking... Oh my god, excuse me? Excuse me? Oh, another goddamn error. Another goddamn error that I have to put up with again. Oh my god, I absolutely dread this. Why? Why? This is connected, right? It's not, is it? Well, here it is. User profile data. Name text. Well, clearly it freaking doesn't, does it? Oh, come on. Let's see how it works out for this guy. Please. Put it in bloody cinema mode.
What do you think, guys? If you think I am, go ahead and drop a like down below in this video. Location, background image, man, what one can I grab? Let's just go to the Witch Training Academy and try to find, nope, my background YouTube channel art. Here it is. Grab that and then submit. Your content has been submitted. Okay, cool. So now what we have to check is we have to go into our, because I haven't linked the pages yet. So it just submits there, so we actually have to verify that we have a properly submitted profile page now. So if I go back to user profile data, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to our website's dashboard. I know this is a bit confusing, so I'm going to show you all the linking processes between the two after we get these last little elements set up for the profile pages, so that way I can show you how to go back to a profile page after someone's uploaded their data. So we're going to go to database here in our dashboard. This is in our Wix dashboard on our site.
Yo, are you still watching the stream? Oh, you actually are. Cool.
And I'm going to go to user profile data. Okay, good. So this means there's been one uploaded. So now I have to show you how that works.
Wait. Don't tell me this. Wait, it's not. Which means I haven't even added it yet. What? Yeah? What? That does not make sense. Forehead and heels. Unless these are some of them. Can that just piss off, please? Thank you. Bio. Please. Please. Please show up. Please. Please show up. Please. Please work. Please show up. Please show up. Please show up. You please. Please. No. It's already. What?
Works. I have to see because I honestly don't even remember the settings I have for this page for as far as SEO settings go. Settings here. All right, I'm going to change this to go to add field. Full name. Okay. Good. All right. So now, if we publish that, I should be able to go to the website and let's see here, and then pull up my profile strictly by searching right now. So strictly by searching the exact URL. So it was / user. What was it? User profile. Sorry, I apologize. I forget what I named it. What is the name of that database? User profile data, is that how I have it in here? I believe it is. Let's just check the settings here. SEO. What's the page? Yep, okay. Page info. User profile data / full name. So it should come up. It's user profile data / Michael Strauch will come up like that. Yeah, here we go. Guys, look at that. You can see how it worked. There we go. So I know that was a long process to try to get to this page, but that's because I haven't linked it yet. I haven't properly set it up.
What? 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 Oh. Oh. Right. Oh. Right. Yeah, that still doesn't. This is bullshit. Where? Where?
What was the user profile?
Oh, that's why. Oh my god, right. Pages. Main pages. Dynamic pages. SEO. Yes, 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 yes. Now maybe it might actually work. Publish. Please work. Please. Maybe this should work. Please. 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 No. It didn't. It didn't work. Why didn't it work? That's bullshit. Because it's not working. Come on, please. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please.
Sorry, I apologize. I forget what I named it. What is the name of that database? User profile data, is that how I have it in here? I believe it is. Let's just check the settings here. SEO. What's the page? Yep, okay. Page info. User profile data / full name.
Publish. Come on, please. Please. What? Why though? Yeah? Eh? Oh my god, wait. What? User profile data. No. It's so annoying. Why? Way. Please. Oh my. Add field. No. Please. Please. What? Come on. Oh my god, why? Why? This is way too much work. Why? I don't even know anymore. I don't even freaking know anymore. I don't even bloody know.
So now I have to show you how that works. I have to see, because I honestly don't even remember the settings I have for this page for as far as SEO settings go. Settings here. Alright, I'm going to change this to go to add field, full name.
That's why. That's why. Bullshit. Hold on. That's why. That's why. That is why. It was right under my nose this whole time. Name. What? Well, how the fuck does it? Publish. Blizz. View site. Actually, no, we don't need to. We don't need to actually. Hold on. Right. User. Boom. Oh, of course it didn't freaking work, did it? Of course it didn't bloody work. Backslash space blade. Please. Why? Oh my god, come on, please. Please, please. How does that make sense? Because clearly it doesn't, does it? Oh my god. Well, what? Where? There? What? Oh my god, come on, please. Liz. Let's just try it. That's why. That's why. That is freaking why. View site. Please work, please. Come on, please. User profile data. Okay. So the backslash hi backslash space blade. Of course not. Of course not. Oh my, this did not make anything to me. No sense. No sense at all. How the frick is he doing it then? How the hell is he doing it? How?
Submit. Your content has been submitted. Okay, cool. So now what we have to check is we have to go into our, because I haven't linked the pages yet. So it just submits there. So we actually have to verify that we have a properly submitted profile page now. So if I go back to user profile data, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to our website's dashboard. I know this is a bit confusing, so I'm going to show you all the linking processes between the two after we get these last little elements set up for the profile pages, so that way I can show you how to go back to a profile page after someone's uploaded their data. So we're going to go to database here in our dashboard. This is in our Wix dashboard on our site, and I'm going to go to user profile data. Okay, good. So this means there's been one uploaded. So now I have to show you how that works. I have to see, because I honestly don't even remember the settings I have for this page for as far as SEO settings go. Settings here. All right, I'm going to change this to go to add field. Full name, okay.
I'm going to look it up. How the hell? How and why? Oh. Oh, seriously? God. It doesn't even matter. It literally doesn't even matter. I'm going to look it up.
And where you are in. This video will try and help you out. If you could, please like and
Come on. Why? Oh my god, this is so annoying. So now, how's it going? It was doing okay, and now it's doing shit. Right? It's hard to explain, but it's so annoying. And I have like no way of fixing it. I have no clue what to do. Right, look at this error, right? Look at the stream, okay? Look at this error, right? Look, this URL conflicts with an existing URL. That does not make sense, because this guy did exactly the same as me. User profile data, full name. But he got no freaking error. Yet, I did. And it doesn't work. So now I don't know what to do. I have no clue. I've looked it up on YouTube as well. Oh my god, I cannot do this anymore. I cannot do this anymore. This is like the worst thing ever.
Not sure. Location. What one can I grab? That, and then I don't link the pages yet, but I can show you how to go back to a profile page after someone. There's been one uploaded, so now I go to add field, full name. Okay.
He just did it, and nothing happened. Like, excuse me. Oh, but it was freaking. It'll be something. It'll be something. It will be freaking something. Oh, it's freaking you, is it? Hey, is it you? It is, isn't it? No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, come on, please. Add field. Name. God, come on. I can't do this. I actually can't do this. It is impossible to do. Add field. Maybe let's try bio. Still doesn't work with bio. Because it's already freaking existing with something else. I have no goddamn clue how that makes sense. But clearly it freaking isn't, is it? Preview the site. Preview the site. My account. My account. This is bullshit. 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 My account. My account. My account. My account. My account. Count. I have no clue what this is neither. Submit. Members. Does it show up on members? Oh my god. It actually does. Piss off. Wait. No, never mind. Never mind. Of course it bloody doesn't. I can't do this. I just can't do this. Nothing shows up here. Nothing shows up here. Oh my god. This is... No. I can't. No. No. Okay, screw that. I'm shutting down my laptop. I can't do this. I'm gonna have to shut down my laptop. I can't do this. This is way too late at night for this. There's 2 people watching, and I think I might just end it because I actually feel like dying. Why? Why? Come on, I can't end the stream. I've got to do this. I've got to do this. I have to find a way to fix this. There has to be a way. There's got to be a goddamn way. There has to be a way. There has to be a way. No, I'm just going to skip ahead.
Good. Alright, so now, if we publish that, I should be able to go to the website, and let's see here, and then pull up my profile, strictly by searching right now. So strictly by searching the exact URL. So it was / user, what was it, user profile, sorry, I apologize, I forget what I named it. What is the name of that database? User profile data, is that how I have it in here? I believe it is. Let's just check the settings here. SEO, what's the page? Yep, okay. Page info, user profile data / full name. So it should come up, user profile data / Michael Strouk will come up like that. Yeah, here we go, guys, look at that. You can see how it worked. There we go. So I know that was a long process to try to get to this page, but that's because I haven't linked it yet. I haven't properly set it up and linked it. But you can now see that our update profile, edit profile button here works correctly. And now what I'm going to show you to quickly do, so I can make your life a little easier before this video ends, is to link it back to the user profile data page. So if we go to edit profile, I'm going to go back into the editor. So we're going to go back to our My Account page. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to go, once again, back to the pages here. And we're going to click Add New Page. And we're going to title this page back to profile. And then just for the time being, this is a little placeholder. I'm going to show you a true proper way to do it. I'm just going to add a button, so when someone clicks on it, what will happen is we'll just, right here, back to profile. And then we're going to link that to our user profile Data page. Yeah. Whoops. That's a dynamic page, and it's got to be full name. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not going to get into that in this video. I was going to make it a quick and easy little way. I have to show you how to properly link it back using code. So I'm not going to show you that in here. You can see it worked though. You can see the edit profile button is now active. If I went back here, you could go back to edit profile, and then you can edit your details again. So that's pretty awesome. You can see how that updates and how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm very excited for this. I'm very excited you now know how to do this. If you did, drop a like down below. Comment if you have any questions at all. I know this was a lot for a video, and there's a lot of moving parts, a lot to follow, but hopefully I did a fairly good job of explaining. And don't forget to subscribe here at the Wix Training Academy. Click that bell notification on so you don't miss an upload of building a social network in Wix. And finally, don't forget to head over to WixTrainingAcademy.com. Again, within 3
With Fiverr's content experts on the case, they'll help you manage, design, animate, or write copy for your social.
You want to make money with your social network in Wix? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google AdSense to your new social network that you've been building. So we've kind of built out the profile pages and on because I have a very special treat for you. Today, until Christmas, there are 12 more days. So I'm bringing to you an early Christmas present, the 12 days of Christmas. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to release a new part of building a social network in Wix, the non-coding founder's guide, every day for the next 12 days up until Christmas. I'm going to try my very best to finish out the series till then. However, I am still waiting on a few features from Wix to make a few things happen, like the peer-to-peer messaging and direct messaging that we talked about. But these are my goals. And if I don't get to the end of the series, at least you have 12 new parts to follow of building a social network in Wix. So this is part 1, dealing with Google AdSense and adding it to your Wix website. Now, before we get into that, guys, head over to WixTrainingAcademy.com, click Academy to access all my free trainings, webinars, all that good stuff, and don't forget to subscribe and turn those bell notifications on. So let's hop right into it. This is going to be a very short and sweet building a social network in Wix video today, as it's a quick introduction version into our 12-day Christmas present gift to you guys for being such an amazing, amazing audience. So we're here in our editor for the social network, What we're going to do is we're going to add Google AdSense on our profile pages today. So if we go here to home and we click our user profile data page, so this is our profile page, we're going to add ads over on the sidebar today, like you would typically kind of see ads. So to add Google AdSense into our social network, we're going to go over here to add ads. And then we're going to type in here AdSense, and you're going to see Google AdSense by Wix. You're going to click that.
No freaking way. No freaking way. Piss off. Shut up. No freaking way. No effing way. No freaking way. Shut up. No. No freaking way. Shut up. Bloody shut up. No bloody way. Actually freaking shut up. No actual way. That's bullshit. What is it? Google AdSense. I mean, that still does not fix everything. Google.
And then it's going to load up, and you're going to click Add to Site.
Add to site.
Once you've got it, you've got your actual Google AdSense right here, and you can determine what style of ad you have, and I'll show you how to do that right here. So you see this is kind of the wider format ad.
Oh, come on.
And it's the square ad. So if we double click it, it'll pop up our options here, and you can see what kind of ad you'd like. You could either do a full text ad, an image ad, or a text and image ad, just like that. And then you could come in here and choose the layout. So you could choose whether it's that square, whether it's the tall one, so the lengthy one like that, or a wide one, which based off of how we're adding here, it's not going to be wide. I'm going to go with square today, guys, for the AdSense. And then you can choose your style. So it's...
Hold on. Okay, here we go. We're on my other website. This is my other website, and I'm actually going to go put ads on this, because if this actually freaking works, then there's just no way. I have tried it before, but with like a different way. It's hard to explain. Oh my gosh, so annoying. Okay, I think I might just end the stream and do this all tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now. Peace out, everybody.